tutorial how to install Windows Server 2022. So for starters, we are preparing a ISO file and insert it into your computer or virtual machine. Then restart the system access the boot menu or BIOS using keys like F2, F12 or delete, and set the system to boot from your installation media and or Oracle VirtualBox. And once the Windows setup screen appears, select your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then click Install Now, and enter your product key if you have one, or choose to skip it for now. And next, select the Windows Server 2022 edition you want to install. Choosing the version with desktop experience is recommended for beginners since it includes a graphical interface. Accept the license terms, then choose Custom Install Windows Only. For a fresh installation, on the disk partition screen, select an existing partition or choose an unallocated space and let Windows create the unnecessary partition automatically. Since the video is direct, and it will automatically necessary partition automatic. The next is the installation will begin. Copying files and restarting your system as needed. Once completed, set a long administrator password and log in to the server. After reaching the desktop, use Server Manager to configure rules and features like networking domain and domain setup, or service such as Active Directory or AD, and DNS and DHCP. And finally, installs updates and perform initial configuration to ensure your server is secure and ready to use. That's all.
After installing Windows Server 22, log in using the administrator account. The Server Manager will automatically open, which is your main tool for managing the server's rules, features, and settings. First, rename your server to make it easier to identify. Go to Local Server, click the computer name, and change it to your desired name. Restart the server to apply the changes. Next, configure a static IP address to ensure stable network connection. Open the internet settings, go to IPv4 properties and manually enter the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. After that, install the needed rules and features. In a Server Manager, click Manage and add rules and features. Then select rules you need such as Active Directory, DNS, or file services, and follow the installation steps. You can also enable remote desktop so the server can be accessed from another computer, and adjust the firewall settings to allow secure connection. Once done, your Windows Server 22 is properly set up and ready for additional configuration like updates, security settings, and user management.
You will open the Server Manager and check if the local server is correct, and you need to follow the step by step so that it will successfully installed properly. In the final part of the video, the configuration of Windows Server 2022 is checked and completed to make sure everything is properly set up and working correctly. After installation and initial setup, it's important to review the system status and confirm that all services are running as expected. Start by opening Server Manager and checking the dashboard for any alerts, warnings, or missing configurations. Ensure that the local server properties such as the computer name, domain or workgroup, network settings, and Windows update status are correctly configured. Then, verify that all installed rules and features are functioning properly. For instance, if Active Directory domain services is installed, confirm that the domain controller is successfully promoted. And if DNS is installed, check that it can be properly resolve domain names. You can also use the administrative tools from the Start menu to further examine its service. It is also initial to update and secure the server perform. Windows updates by checking for and installing the latest patches to improve security and performance, starting the system if needed, configure basic security settings such as enabling the Windows firewall, applying strong password policies, and restricting unnecessary access. If remote desktop is enabled, make sure only authorized users are allowed to connect. Consider creating separate user accounts instead of relying on the default administrator account. Lastly, test the server's connectivity and functionality by pinging it from another device, accessing shared resources, and confirming that all services respond correctly. This final validation ensures that the server is fully operational and ready for deployment in a real network environment.